Lesson 5. Duration in hours and minutes. Okay, look at question number 1. Sandra's English lesson starts at 3 p.m. and then it ends at 5 p.m. How long? How long was her English lesson? Means this question is asking about duration. How long, right? So you put 3 p.m. in the beginning, and the last one you put 5 p.m. Okay, if the question is how long, of course you need to subtract, okay, the last or the ended time subtracted by the starting time, right? But how to do it? You can put like this. Okay, we put the diagram here, use the timeline. So 3 goes to 5 is not directly right, so it must be go to 4 o'clock first. So 1 hour here, and then it goes 1 hour to 5. You get 1 plus 1, you will get 2 hours. That's why her English lessons lasted for 2 hours. Or the other way, you can subtract it directly. 5 p.m. you subtract it with 3 p.m. Okay, you subtract it, then you will get over here 002. But you do not write down it like this. Get it? The number over here, okay, the number over here, it shows you the minutes. The number over here, it shows you the hour. Because the question is duration, you cannot put the answer like this. This is totally wrong. So you need to write down, because the 2 is in the hour position, you write down the duration is 2 hours. Question number 2. Leah starts eating her dinner at 6:45 p.m. She finishes eating at 7:20 p.m. How long did she take to eat her dinner? So at the first time, if you want to use the timeline, look at this. You put 6:45. Okay, but it's not directly goes to 7:20. Why? Because the time needs to go to 7 p.m. first. From 6:45 to 7 p.m. you need 15 minutes. How do we know? 60 minus 45. You get 15, right? That's why you put over here 15. And then from 7 to 7:20, of course you get 20 minutes. So how long? Okay, 15 plus 20, you get 35. Why do we need to use the timeline? Timeline is used to make you easier to count the minute or the time. Get it? Well, actually, you can directly subtract it by like this. You put it vertically. Okay, but once again, not all of you pay attention on the detail, right? So you need to use the timeline. If you can do the timeline well, and then you want to make it faster, you can use this way. Okay, how to do this? Again, use regroup. This one becomes 6. Over here, you put 60. Okay, and then we have the new question. The new question is 680. You subtract it by 645. Okay, 80 subtracted by 45. Of course, we get 35. 6. Okay, nothing, right? 0. Once again, you do not write down the duration like this. You need to write down the duration as, because the 35 in the position of minutes, you write down 35 minutes. Okay, let's go to question number 2. What time is 3 hours after 7? Okay, if the clue is after, you need to put the timeline, go forward. So we put 3 hours. So 1 hour more, we have 8 o'clock. And then the next 1 hour, we have 9 o'clock. Okay, 1 hour, we have 9 o'clock. And then the next 1 hour, we have 10 o'clock. So the answer is 10 p.m. Next, what time is 2 hours after 7:15? So how to put the timeline? You put the right thing first, the 7:15, and then the first 1 hour you get 1 plus 7, you get 8:15, and then the second 1 hour you will get 9:15 p.m. Okay, next, how many hours are there from 9 a.m. to noon? Noon means 12 p.m. Sorry, 12 p.m. guys. 12 p.m. Yeah. So what time is it? So let's check. 9 to 10, 1 hour, right? Okay, and then 10 to 11, another 1 hour. 11 to 12 p.m. Of course, we have another 1 hour. So we have all of them as 1, 2, 3. We get 3 hours. Now look at question number 5. Ray goes to a birthday party. Look at the clock below. So at what time does the party start? Okay, look at this one. Oh, we need to find out. Is it using past or to? Look at this. The number goes after 6 means you have to use 2, right? But this one, the number goes before 6. You have to use past. Remember, just remember that. Is this before 6 or after 6? Okay. Now, how long was the party started? We have 7:30 p.m. here. The last one is 10:20. Now, 7:30 goes to 8 p.m. Okay. How many minutes do we need to go to that part? Okay, you subtract it. Okay, regroup. 60 minus 35. This one is 5. This is 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. So we get 25 minutes. And then from 8 p.m. until 10 p.m. we have 2 hours. How do we get it? 10 minus 8. And then from 10 p.m. to 10:20 we get 20 minutes. Easy, right? From here to this side. Okay, so we get, after all, 25 plus 2 hours plus 20 minutes. 20 plus 25 is 45 minutes, and the hour is 2. So the party lasted for 2 hours and 45. Look at question number 7. Rani bakes some cookies for a party. She takes 2 hours 35 minutes to bake the cookies. She starts baking them at 10:10 a.m. When does she finish baking them? Okay, once again. So she started at 10:10 a.m. and then it took 2 hours 35 minutes. So you put 10:10 a.m. in the beginning, and then you put the first 1 hour, you get 11:10, right? The second 1 hour, you get 12:10. Remember 2 hours, guys, so you need to put it 2 times. And then the last is 35 minutes, so 35 minutes after 12:10. You add 10 with 35. Of course, you will have 12:45. Once again, how do we get 45? 10 plus 35. This is for the minute, okay? This is for the minute. So you get 12:45. So she finishes baking them at 12:45. Question number 9. Eddie spends 45 minutes opening his presents. He finishes opening his present at 12:05 a.m. Finish. Get it? Finish. At what time did he start opening his present? Because it finished at 12:05, so you put 12:05 in the last part of the timeline. And then because you need to find out what time did it start, you need to go backward. If you need to find out the finish time, you need to go forward. But if you need to find out the started time, you need to go backward. Get it? Now, so he spends 45 minutes, okay, 12:05, midnight. It means over here 12 o'clock. You may write down 12 o'clock. From 12 to 12:05, it means you took 5 minutes, right? Right? Then how many minutes over here? 45. You subtract it by 5, you get 40. So write down over here 40. Now you need to count out 40 minutes before 12 a.m. Okay? What do you get? So you just subtracted 60 by 40. Then you will get 20. So over here the minute is 20. But it's not 12 o'clock because it goes backward. It's gonna be 11:20. Do you understand? Why does it 11? Because it's before 12. Before 12 is 11. Get it? So Andy started opening his presents at 11:20. Okay.